So my people, I throw salute to I remain your homeboy MC Marvelous Bomb, the voice of Africa and Asia, the Amlata one of Agbo Kingdom, the Unumege one of Africa, aka the only boy that travel the whole world without passport and visa. Now so my brothers and my sisters, not be small tune, na Christmas celebration be this so everywhere don segemeg, everywhere they yegemeg, everywhere they tragamaga they go now. Everybody they find ususu for Christmas. My brothers and my sisters, una know how they go. E get some kind things when e be say they pay me the tranga right now for the internet side, my brothers and my sisters. E get some kind people wey dey talk about men of God, which e be like say me MC Marvelous Bomb I no too gbadun am. If na your first time be this wey you dey follow me, abeg make you like my video, make you share, make you click the notification bell, make you follow me for Facebook MC Marvelous two times, follow me for Instagram MC Marvelous Bomb, follow me for YouTube MC Marvelous Bomb, the voice of Africa and Asia, the Amlata one of Agbo Kingdom. Wetin I dey try to talk na be say e get wetin be like say e dey pay me right now with like this so. Una see the way the country dey go like this, the way the world dey go like this now so. I wan talk about some kind issues. I go dey touch them small dey go. For those of una wey get ear, make una hear me. Those of una wan learn more, una wan hear more, make una follow me for my YouTube page and for my Facebook page. Just like that dey go. So I go dey do the thing plem dey go like that as e dey hot, because time no take dey like this. So as e dey be so, we like this, e get one of our sister when e come dey talk about Pastor Jeremiah Ogbodo Fifi of Mercy City. He talk go here say our pastor, he say the man no get children, the man no get mama, the man no get wife. This my brother, my sisters, make una no mind this woman. He just dey carry dey talk. Na wetin he just chop belle full. Na he say make he come talk. The one when he come see the tranga right now, they come dey, I come dey hear say we like this, say Dangote just sleep wake up one day, na increase smith from 2005 to 5,000 naira. My brothers and my sisters, make you see all these people so that they use we head after they come say na the Dangote na be the richest man for Africa. Meanwhile na people head na he use take get money. Why e be say e no go be say na he be the richest person? Even if na you wey dey hear my voice, so you wey dey watch me so, if they give you only you one chance, make only you supply one food state, only one state for Nigeria, say make only you dey supply them tomatoes, you go rich, you go be the richest person for that state. If there's only you, not to talk of full country, only one person dey supply cement, I no go be say na be the richest for Africa. Now you know the reason the poor masses, especially who wey be like say we dey for obodo oyibo so. If you call the build we house now, my brothers and my sisters, I thank God say my house, I thank God say God Oluwa don do am for me. So e very painful thing. I go buy one bag of cement for 5,000 naira. How many you want a mold block? And one bag of cement na 10 block e dey bring. Yes, 15 block. My brother tell me how many cement you want to build one room, come build 2 room, come build 3 room, come build flat, come talk of say you go even fence am. Na be say all this house for Nigeria now, they no go dey fence them again. This thing dey pay me well. That's why me MC Marvelous Bomb, I go talk my mind. Make I touchtalize another one again, the one dey happen for Asia, wey we just know like this so. For Asia, the way the ekelebe, the kpokpo dem dey use the people for Asia, so it's very bad. Especially one place wey they call India. My brothers and my sisters, abeg, we dey call on the Nigeria embassy, we dey call on the leaders for this country. They get Nigeria community here wey dey rule, they get embassy for here. My brothers and my sisters, these people so we no understand them. Abi dem dey chop the masses money so tey dey do their own things. We no just understand them, the way dem dey run the parole dey go. Dem just dey imagine say one person go just dey, use people head, before you know, police go just catch person like this. The next thing wey you know, only dem go carry phone call person like this, say come dey catch one of your brother, dey catch one of your sister. How that person take know say ekelebe catch am for night? Dem no call him brother, dem no call him sister, dem no call him family. Na you be like say dem call dey use people take dey trade market. My brother, that one na very painful thing. Make I touchtalize another area. You see our Nigeria ambassador for India. When I go India that last 3 years, when I dey for India, my brother, my sisters, when I see with Nigeria ambassador, na only one policeman na dey follow am, and the policeman no even carry toy toy so no dey even talk of better gun e no carry na stick na e hold beside e no even dey hold the stick follow am for everywhere sef maybe na when dem don reach embassy all those kind thing like that na e dey hold the stick but this our ambassador wey I dey tell you so if you reach our country obodo Nigeria so my brother the convoy wey dey get dem go tell you say na ambassador for India or for one place like this. If you see convoy no be small thing make you tell me how the Nigeria economy wan take better. Those convoys so e get like 10 cars, get like 15 soldier, e get like 5 cook for house, e wife get, e children get. Tell me how the country money wan take stable. And for where e for be ambassador so na only one police dey follow am dey go. So this one na very painful thing. Make I torchlight another area like this. E dey pain me well well now say the year wan end like this. So many people dey see the tranga the flagamaga for street. It's a very painful thing. It's a very painful thing. We come hear say we like this say all those people wey be like say all those children wey be like say dey suffocate, dey brutalize for inside motor so for inside obodo Nigeria. We come hear say dem no go pay their family condolence visit. Na this our sister wey dey for one place abi na Germany abi na France abi na Russia e dey na im just dey munuyan dey talk anything wey e like na im mouth we for hear am. Meanwhile those people we hear say dem go see their family. No be small thing come torchlight so many things like that. The next thing wey e come talk say im mother say na Jeremiah na give dem hope. My brother my sister who wan poof go poof. If God say na your time na your time. Nobody go come say one person give you hope, one person give you hope. According to one of my fellow comedian like this, when he talk one word say na faith na faith na dey move mountain. Even 100 pastors pray, if the person no get faith if he go heal if he no go heal. So my brothers and my sisters make una no masterlize that our sister wey dey munuyan. He just dey carry dey talk my own. I remain your homeboy MC Marvelous Bomb, the voice of Africa in Asia, the Amlata one of Agbo Kingdom. E get one thing wey dey pay me pass for inside Asia for last time when I dey for India before God come do am when I come finally enter Canada with like this so. My brothers and my sisters, e get all these we men of God for our obodo India. The way that they do, some of our brothers and my sisters they come dey complain for me. They say all these pastors say they no dey help them, they no dey reason them. Na only that they pay their house rent, na only that they pay church rent, na only that they do everything, they pay light bill. And all these pastors so they say they hear say one of the pastors even get hotel for Lagos, one get estate for Lekki. This pastor so you know dey reason the masses. Even the members that will get police problem, get house issue, say no dey reason them. So I beg men of God wey dey for India, I beg we dey beg una make una see the reason una members sometimes, because this one na somebody na see complain give me so na I say make I come talk am. Being say na maybe the voice of Africa in Asia, the Amlata one of Agbo Kingdom. Abeg make you follow me for my YouTube page MC Marvelous Bomb. Make you subscribe, abeg subscribe to help my ministry. You see the way this my video dey go so, I just wan do this video sharp because people say MC Marvelous Bomb where you dey since nothing will hear your voice. Now I say I just wan do this small video today. Plan happy Sunday, Monday, happy new week, happy Christmas and New Year in advance. One love my people. Na so God go dey bless every one of us dey go. God go dey help us dey go as we dey enter the new year. Accident, sickness, death, pain, disease no be our portion in Jesus name. We go eat the rice, eat the chicken, eat the goat, eat the emila. We go chop all of them. We go chop the isio. We go enter the new year successfully by the grace of God. So make you subscribe for me. Abeg subscribe no mean anything. Abeg make una subscribe for me. Abeg. Una know say my first YouTube Buktalite. So this one na my new YouTube now. Abeg I need subscription abeg so that my church can move to the permanent side. Na corporation airport of price dey full. Pregede is the now, Ajeriyo is the verb. Follow me like that for my YouTube page MC Marvelous Bomb. Follow me for Instagram MC Marvelous Bomb. Follow me for Facebook MC Marvelous 2 times. Abeg dey like, dey share, click the notification bell so that anytime when I drop am like this you go dey feel am. If you wan watch more about many things wey dey happen, oya watch the video wey you kala your mamu.